How to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a digital planner and then you can sell it on Etsy. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on etsy.com, and if I just simply search for, let's say, digital planner over here, we can get some examples and some ideas on how you can create it, and you can see what they look like, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at this one, like an all-in-one digital planner. It looked like it had quite a lot of, stuff on it. So over here, as you can see, if I zoom in, this is how it looks like, right? So we have our schedule over here on the right side. We have our schedule over here on the left side, right? We have our dates. Then we have, all right, move to another day. We have some schedules that have been moved. We have some tasks that we need to complete, and then we have, well, over here, top three things that we need to do. And then we have over here focus all for today, the main focus for today. Then we have affirmations, meal logs, and stuff like that, right? So let's go ahead and create this. So creating this is very simple. What we'll need to do is we'll need to come over here onto Canva. Canva is a pretty amazing website where you can create amazing content very easily for free. So let's get started for free over here. Sign up. And then over here, this is how it looks like, right? So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto the search bar, and we're going to search for planner because we don't have it over here in the highlights over here. So over here, you have a bunch of different things that you can create: thumbnails, desktop wallpaper, letters, bouquets, logos, whatever you want, you can create over here, right? So since it doesn't have any planner, so we'll just simply search for a planner over here. And then we have our planner over here. We have a 8.5 by 11, and we have a 21 by 29 centimeters. So we'll go with this one, 8.5 inches. And then over here, we have a bunch of different templates to choose from. You can go ahead and choose a template that you feel like would be best for you, and then you can edit them out, or you can go ahead and start with a planner from scratch. It all depends on you, right? So I'm going to choose one from these templates over here and see how they look like? Like this one right here, but this is a paid one. But we can go with another free version as well. You can buy that as well. It all depends on you. So over here, all right, I chose this one. I think this one looks pretty cool. So over here, let me just zoom in real quick. So this is how it looks like, right? This is a pretty simple daily planner. You have your schedule over here, your priorities, you have your water intake, you have what you're grateful for, you have your lunch plan, dinner plans, to call or email over here. So I think this one looks pretty cool. Then you also have like these check marks down below that you can, go ahead and, check these boxes with, so that that can indicate that whether or not you've completed that task or not. So let me just go ahead and copy all of that. And over here, I'm going to add a bunch of different pages. All right. And then another one, and then another one. I'm going to paste this a bunch of different times, make like 20 pages document, maybe even 30. It all depends on you. And then we'll just simply download it, and then I'm going to show you how you can sell it on Etsy as well. Like, it's pretty simple. You just create an account, a seller account, and then you can sell your planner over there. So I think it's 16, we have 17, 18, and a few more, and we'll be good to go. Here we go. All right, so 20 pages done. You can create as much as you want, maybe like for a 30 page, like for a whole month, but it all depends on your rate. So let me just actually create one for the 30-day plan as well. So I'll get this out of the way. All right, here we go. So 30 days complete. We have 30 pages down over here. So all of it has been complete. You can even modify it to your own liking. Like, you can add a background to them, like maybe some change the fonts a little bit or whatever you want. But I think this looks pretty good. Then we'll just simply download it over here. We'll download it over here, like as you see over here, or you can make it like a template link or a presentation type of thing, and then just simply download it. So I'm going to download it right here, and once it's downloaded, I will show you how it looks like. All right, so now that we have it downloaded, what we'll do now is we'll go back to Etsy over here, and we'll just simply click on sign in over here, and we'll click on register, and we'll just sign up as a seller. So before we do that, let me just go over here. There's another easier way to do this. So just scroll down over here, and over here you will see sell on Etsy. Just simply click over here, and you are good to go. Then you will be prompted over here where you can get started with, as a seller account on Etsy. So let's click on get started. We'll enter in our email address over here. And then over here, as you can see, I already have an account. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. And then once you have signed in, just simply scroll down and click on open your Etsy shop over here. And then over here, you can enter in your shop preferences, your shop name, stock your shop, how you'll get paid, set up billing, and your shop security, and you are good to go. So let me just change it to English over here. And unfortunately, it doesn't, support my country. So I'll just choose that. And I sell part-time. And then I'm just simply going to click on save and continue. Then enter in the name of your shop. All right. Just simply click on save and continue. And then you have to stock up your listing over here. So I'm just simply going to click over here, and I'm going to go ahead and find what I downloaded earlier. Let me just go ahead and extract what I just simply downloaded. It should be over here. All right. So now I'm just simply going to add the photos for my planner. Here it is. I'm just simply going to add that over here. Boom, there we go. As you can see, this is the thumbnail. Over here we can add some more images, from a different angle. I mean, it is the same image. So then you can add in your video of that product, and then you can add a title. So it's a simple planner over here. I'm just simply going to do that. Who made it? I did. What it is? A finished product. Over here, when did you make it? So over here, when did you make it? Made to order recently. I'll just go with that. What item is handmade? This item is handmade. No, I would say it falls into the planner category. There we go. And then choose the primary color. So it's white. So here we go. I'm going to choose that. There is no secondary color, so I'm going to go with that. And over here, you can choose whether or not you can, put it in a type of occasion. I mean, it does fall into every single one of the categories, but I'm going to choose that. And then over here, I'm going to write a small description of the product. So basically, it's a simple daily planner that you can use to plan your day. Yeah, I think that looks good. It's a simple daily planner that you can use to plan your day. And then you can add in your partner if you have one. But if not, you can leave it at that. And then you have your inventory over here. And over here, you can sell it for, let's say, $10 because it didn't cost you much. And over here, you can see all of the other ones. They also cost around $10. So we're going to choose that. And the quantity is, let's say, 30 pages. I'll keep it 30. You can add an SKU number. It all depends on you. Then weight of the product. It doesn't have any weights because it's not a physical product. So then just simply click on save and continue. Okay, it's not physical, right? It's digital. So I'm going to choose digital. Then we don't need to add all of that. Then over here, we'll upload the file. So this is the file right here. So I'm going to open that up. Boom, there we go. Please allow the file to be uploaded before publishing. So we'll just wait for it to be uploaded and then we're good to go. There we go. It's uploaded. Now we'll just simply click on save and continue, right? And then you are good to go. Then you can add more to your listing and stuff like that. But we can do that later. Then you can add in your payment details. You can set up your billing and set up your shop, and you are good to go. So all of these settings will depend upon, of course, your country and the type of payment system you use, but it's very simple, such as over here, you choose your country of residency, you add in your details, your first name, your last name, your address, how you would like to get paid, all of that, your banks, and then you are good to go. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, really easy. You can even create one yourself, as I said before, very simple. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.